Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow newbie hunters. In this video, I will explain how to get the Bubble Noobie in Find the Noobies. This guide will help you locate and acquire one of the game's more elusive collectibles. We'll cover where to search, what to look for, and the steps to successfully add it to your collection. Getting this newbie is a fun challenge, and with a few simple tips, you'll be well on your way to finding it. Let's dive in and get started on your quest. Now, let's talk about where to find this bubbly friend. The Bubble Noobie typically resides in aquatic or water-themed areas. Think about places like lakes, rivers, or even underwater caverns. You'll want to explore every hidden corner and submerged structure. Keep your eyes peeled for any shimmering effects or unusual bubble patterns. These are often key indicators. It's a small item, so a keen eye is essential for spotting it among the scenery. After you've successfully located the Bubble Noobie, the next step is to acquire it. Often, you simply need to walk up to it and interact. However, some newbies require a bit more effort, like completing a quick minigame or solving a very simple puzzle. In rare cases, a specific in-game item might be necessary for collection. Make sure your inventory has at least one open slot before attempting to pick it up so you don't miss out. To maximize your chances, here are a few pro tips. First, patience is a virtue. Some newbies are very well hidden. Explore every single area thoroughly, especially those hard-to-reach spots that might require special movement abilities. Don't hesitate to ask other players for hints. The community is often very helpful. Remember, finding all the newbies is a journey, and persistence will ultimately lead you to success. Happy hunting, and enjoy your new Bubble Noobie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.